Davivienda, a key player in Colombia's banking sector, faces a digital transformation imperative. The challenge lies in aligning technological advancements with organizational culture. This requires strategic upskilling and reskilling initiatives to meet evolving market demands, ensuring the workforce is equipped for future challenges while maintaining core values. Davivienda's strategic response to digital transformation involves comprehensive upskilling and reskilling initiatives. These efforts aim to align workforce capabilities with evolving market demands, ensuring the bank remains competitive. Leadership plays a crucial role in maintaining a balance between technological advancement and organizational values, fostering a culture that embraces change while preserving core principles. Davivienda, a leading commercial bank in Colombia and part of Grupo Bolívar, boasts a strong traditional banking heritage with a cultural focus on family and trust. In 2022, the bank faced significant market pressures, accelerating fintech disruption, shifting customer expectations towards digital, intensifying regional competition, and an evolving regulatory landscape. Davivienda's digital transformation journey shifted from branch-centric operations to a hybrid model, integrating digital channels and automation. Embracing cloud-native architecture and AI-powered services, they aim to deliver seamless omni-channel experiences. This evolution was crucial for maintaining competitiveness amidst financial technology disruptions and evolving customer expectations. Davivienda faces intense competition from traditional banks like Bancolombia and Banco de Bogotá, which are also embracing digital transformation. Fintech disruptors such as Nequi, Rappi, and Nubank Colombia, with their agile tech-native models, further pressure Davivienda to innovate swiftly to sustain its market leadership. Addressing the talent gap is crucial for Davivienda's digital transformation. Key technical skills needed include cloud architecture, API development, and artificial intelligence machine learning expertise. Data capabilities like engineering and predictive modeling are essential. A digital-first mindset, embracing agile methodologies and design thinking, is vital. Operational fluency in process automation and cross-functional collaboration will drive success. Davivienda's upskilling initiative focuses on enhancing competencies for evolving roles, such as digital-first advisory for relationship managers and AI-augmented risk assessment for risk analysts. The reskilling program prepares employees for new positions, transforming back-office staff into DevOps engineers and financial analysts into data scientists, ensuring adaptability in a rapidly changing digital landscape. Davivienda's tactical implementation includes an internal learning academy offering personalized learning paths, strategic partnerships with educational institutions and tech firms, enhanced training in emerging technologies. A reverse mentoring program pairs digital natives with seasoned bankers, fostering knowledge transfer. The talent incubator allows employees to rotate through digital projects, developing cross-functional skills. Miguel Cortés and Javier Suarez navigated the intricate balance between strategic speed and employee commitment. They focused on market responsiveness, technological advancement, and competitive positioning while preserving cultural values, staff well-being, and institutional knowledge. This dual focus raised critical questions about transforming without losing the bank's cultural DNA. Davivienda's family-oriented culture fosters loyalty but may clash with digital efficiency. Trust-based relationships must evolve to maintain human connection in digital interactions. Career growth, traditionally based on tenure, requires redefinition to incorporate digital skills and innovation metrics, ensuring alignment with technological advancements while preserving core values. Financial institutions must develop talent pipelines that adapt to technological changes, ensuring minimal disruption. Preserving core cultural values while evolving them for a digital-first environment is crucial. Balancing transformation speed with cultural adaptation is key. Knowing when to slow down for culture or accelerate for market demands is essential for success. Davivienda's transformation success was measured using a balanced scorecard approach, integrating both technical and cultural metrics. This ensured a comprehensive evaluation of progress, aligning technological advancements with cultural evolution. By doing so, they maintained a focus on both innovation and identity, crucial for sustainable growth in a rapidly changing environment. Davivienda's journey highlights a people-first strategy, ensuring digital transformation by enhancing human capabilities alongside technology. Culture-aligned innovation adapted new processes to core values, preserving identity while evolving. Long-term workforce sustainability was achieved through continuous learning systems, making reskilling an ongoing practice. This case shows transformation is about people, not just platforms. Davivienda's approach highlights reskilling as a strategic imperative. Immediate actions include auditing digital capability gaps and creating integrated learning journeys. Medium-term strategies involve developing talent incubation, cross-functional innovation teams, and strategic education partnerships. Balancing technology with human development is crucial for leading digital transformation. The future of work demands a strategic approach to digital transformation. Organizations must prioritize reskilling and upskilling to remain competitive. Emphasizing continuous learning and adaptability will ensure workforce readiness. Skilled Master of Business Administration offers insights into successful business transformations, focusing on digital strategies and people management in emerging markets. Stay informed to navigate these changes effectively.